Imagine this: you want to collect data, run a survey, create a quiz, or even build a small online business form, but instead of complicated coding, expensive tools, or confusing software, you open one simple tool, and within minutes, you've created a fully working smart form with automatic responses, analytics, and even scoring. Sounds powerful, right? But here's the twist. Most people are using Microsoft Forms in the wrong way. They only know 10% of its real power. And today, I'm going to show you everything, from beginner to advanced, step by step. By the end of this video, you'll be able to create professional forms, build quizzes with automatic grading, analyze data, and even use it for business, education, or content creation. So stay till the end, because the last part might completely change how you use Forms forever. To get started with Microsoft Forms, the very first thing you need is a Microsoft account. Now don't worry, if you've ever used services like Outlook, OneDrive, or even logged into a Windows PC, you probably already have one. Open any browser on your laptop or PC, like Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge, and in the search bar, type forms.microsoft.com, then press enter, and this will take you directly to the Microsoft Forms homepage. Now, on the screen, you'll see a button that says Sign In. Click on it. Here's what happens next. Enter your email address. This could be Outlook, Hotmail, or any Microsoft-linked email. Click Next. Enter your password. Click Sign In. And just like that, you're inside the dashboard. But wait, if you don't have a Microsoft account, don't panic. Right below the login option, you'll see Create One. Click that. Follow the simple steps. Enter email. Create password. Verify with OTP. And within 2 to 3 minutes, your account will be ready. Once you log in, you'll land on a clean, simple dashboard. And this is where your Real journey begins. Right in front of you, you'll see 2 main options: New Form, New Quiz. At first glance, they might look similar, but this is where most beginners make a mistake. They don't understand the difference. Right now, we're creating a simple form. So go ahead and click on New Form. The moment you click it, something interesting happens instantly. A brand new editing screen opens up. No loading, no complicated setup, just a clean workspace ready for you. At the top, you'll see 2 important fields. Untitled Form, this is your title. Form description. Now this part may look small, but it's actually one of the most powerful steps, because this decides whether people will fill your form or ignore it. Most beginners make this mistake. They write something boring like survey, feedback form, and people instantly lose interest. Instead, use a title that feels quick, valuable, and engaging. For example, quick 1-minute feedback, help us improve. Tell us your opinion and get better content. See the difference? Now it feels useful, worth their time. Always remember this. The shorter and clearer your title, the higher your response rate. Now comes the heart of Microsoft Forms. Adding questions. You can add different types of questions like choice, multiple choice, text, short or long answers, rating, ranking. Let's break this down. If you want users to select options, use choice questions. If you want detailed feedback, use text questions. But here's a pro tip. Don't just ask questions, guide the user. For example, instead of asking, feedback, what is one thing we can improve? Now you're getting better responses. Another powerful feature. You can make questions required. This ensures users don't skip important fields. And here's something advanced. You can allow multiple answers in choice questions. This is perfect for what features do you like? Already, you're seeing how flexible this tool is. But wait, we're just getting started. Now let's unlock one of the most powerful features. Quizzes. When you create a quiz, you can assign correct answers, points for each question. So when someone submits, Microsoft Forms automatically calculates the score. No manual checking needed. This is perfect for online tests, practice exams, educational content. But here's where it gets interesting. You can also add explanations for answers. So even if someone gets it wrong, they learn something. Now imagine using this in your YouTube strategy. You could create test your knowledge quizzes for your audience. That's engagement on another level. Now let's talk about design. Because let's be honest, a boring form gets ignored. Microsoft Forms allows you to change themes, add colors, use background images. This may seem small, but design affects user behavior. A clean and attractive form builds trust, increases completion rate. And here's a hidden trick. Use minimal text and clear spacing. Don't overload the form, because the easier it feels, the more people complete it. Now your form is ready. But how do people access it? Microsoft Forms gives you multiple sharing options. Link QR code email. Embed on website. If you're a YouTuber, you can simply drop the link in your description, or even pin it in comments. But here's something important. You can control who can respond. Anyone with the link. Only people in your organization. Always choose carefully based on your goal. Now comes the real magic. Responses. As soon as people start submitting, you can see real-time data. Microsoft Forms automatically creates charts, summary reports. No need for manual analysis. But if you want more control, you can open responses in Excel. And now, you can perform advanced analysis. This is extremely useful for market research, audience insights, business decisions. And here's the twist. Most people stop here, but they're missing something powerful. Let's unlock some hidden features. Branching logic. You can show different questions based on answers. This creates a personalized experience. Response limits. You can limit number of submissions. Perfect for event registrations, limited offers, notifications. Get email alerts when someone submits a form. Integration. Use with Microsoft Teams. Power Automate. Now imagine this. Someone fills your form, and automatically, you get notified. Data is stored. The mail is sent. That's automation power. So now you've seen, Microsoft Forms is not just a simple tool. It's a complete system for data collection, engagement, automation. And the best part? It's free and easy to use. But here's the real question. Are you going to use it like everyone else? Or are you going to use it like a pro? If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And tell me in the comments, what will you create using Microsoft Forms? Because your next big idea might start with just one form.